Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be talking about seismic waves. Just to remind you, a seismic wave is a wave of elastic energy produced by an earthquake. We only have to worry about three different types: P, S, and surface, otherwise known as primary waves, secondary waves, and surface waves. Let's have a look at primary waves first. These are an example of a longitudinal wave. If you have a look at this diagram, the wave is going from left to right, and the vibration of the particles is also backwards and forwards along that same direction. P waves are the fastest types of wave, and they cause the least amount of damage. They can, however, travel through solids and liquids, which allows earthquake scientists to study the structure of the Earth. The second type of wave is, of course, as the name suggests, secondary waves. And they're the second waves to come along, which means that they are slower than P waves. As you can see from this video, the direction of the wave is from left to right, but the vibration of the particles is at 90 degrees to the direction of the wave. So it's going up and down. So naturally, this is going to cause more damage than the P waves. The thing about S waves is that they cannot travel through liquids. They can only travel through solids. Seismologists can also use these to study the structure of the Earth. In fact, here is a picture showing exactly how P waves and S waves travel through the surface of the Earth. By comparing both P waves and S waves, they don't travel through the liquid outer core. The P waves do. However, the P waves get bent a little bit, and this basically allowed us to figure out that the outer core was liquid. This refraction causes a part of the Earth where you can't detect any P waves, and that's called a P wave shadow zone. The last type of wave is a surface wave. Now, as you can see, the surface wave causes the particles on the surface to roll about in an anti-clockwise direction. This causes the most displacement, and they're also the slowest wave. So in two ways they cause the most amount of damage. First of all, there's the most amount of surface movement. And secondly, because they're slow, the duration is incredibly long. So it causes the most amount of damage that way as well. Surface waves are not body waves. They only travel along the surface, but they do, as I said, cause the most amount of damage. That's all we have for seismic waves for today. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.